everyone and welcome to my channel. My name's Nicole and this video is going to be a short introduction to my channel. I decided last year when I was pregnant that I was going to make my own YouTube channel just to document bringing up my son, like my journey into motherhood. I had a little boy in January of this year, 2019, called Didier. My husband is French, so Didier is half French, and I just wanted to record and document teaching him and bringing him up bilingual, and I thought what a better way than to just share it in a way. I got so inspired when I was pregnant and I was watching I found all these YouTube mums and I just fell in love with that community and found them so helpful, from just birthing stories to packing the hospital bag, packing nappy bags. YouTube became my saviour in a way, and so I just wanted to have my input, and at the moment it's a great way for a little bit of like a creative outlet after having the baby. So on this channel I've decided to call it Oui Maman, just because I don't know, I felt very French inspired with that. And on this channel I would love to do like motherhood videos, doing like a morning routine with a baby, an evening routine, nursery tours, things like that, and also lifestyle videos. I can't wait to do just like a day in the life and things like that, what's in my bag. I love those videos. And also cleaning and organisation videos. They're my kind of favourite thing to watch in a way. And so I can't wait to just jump on that bandwagon and have my own input. Hopefully you'll like them, you like what you see, and you could follow me on this journey. We are currently in the middle of moving house. In May we will be moving from Chester down to the Cotswolds, so we're going to have a brand new start. So basically we have a new jobs, new baby, new home, new car, just brand new. And I thought what a better time to start these vlogs and this channel than now, really, to have a fresh start. So hopefully if you like this video you would give it a like, come and say hello down in the comments. I'd love to see everybody and say hello to everybody. And also if you are interested in this kind of content, I would love it if you could subscribe. It's free to do, just press the big red button below. And if you want to follow our adventure of moving with a newborn baby, then hopefully you'd love to follow along as well. Thank you so much for being here, it really means a lot, and hopefully you'll stay tuned. Thank you and goodbye.